Take a small piece of cardboard and cover it with a colored paper of your choice. This will be the base of our Rakhi. Take the desired photo smaller than the size of the base and paste it in the center. Now decorate it further with pearl border stickers. These are easily available in the market. I have used red pearls for border of the base and white half pearls for the photo's border. Now take a needle and pass the thread 3 times from it. Add beads of your choice. Place the base in the center of the thread and paste it with glue. Secure it further with sellotape. Now cut the thread and take the needle out and start braiding it like a 3-strand braid. Secure it with the same thread. Do it on the both ends. Now take another piece of paper and cover the back of the base. You can stop right there, but I am also adding layers of red thread at the end of the braid. And our photo Rakhi is ready. Cut out a circle from cardboard and wrap piece of lace or ribbon around it like so. Take a tassel and tie a knot around the ring. If you want me to make a tutorial on how to make a tassel like so, let me know in the comment section. Take another piece of ribbon or lace of your choice and tie it symmetrical to the tassel. Add a bead on the top and cut out the extra piece. Now take your desired 2 photos and paste it on the ring on both the sides. Decorate it further by adding decorative stones. And then you're good to go.